So they put in lights. I can see that they, what do you guys think? Really.
Tupendayo sio Yesu anayetupenda, Yesu anayekupenda na kukaribisha wewe kwa upendo wa Mungu.
Still about TV. Very mambo. More long queues. The photographer is trying to make it. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're not new, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. Hi. You guys remember this guy? We've met before.
Yes, I'm Johnny Boy.
You remember? Yeah, right? How are you? Welcome back to the channel. If you are not new, if you're new, welcome to the channel. And today we're doing like an evening walk. I want you guys to see Nairobi in the evening. Long queues. Nairobi is lighting up. There's new Cabro and there's street photography everywhere. So I want you guys to see just the energy in Nairobi city. This is a basic weekday, so I want you guys to see what the city feels like in the evening and at night. So it's about 6 p.m. right now, and I want you guys to see what Nairobi is like in the evening. So let's get into the video. Remember to like this video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't.
What is good is nice. I'm enjoying.
Yes. Is it busy more in the evening?
Like?
Is it more busy in the evening for you?
Of course. Even in the morning
and in the evening, yeah. When people are having the long queues, they can take a photo before they go to the bus. Exactly. Okay, nice to see you. What's your name?
My name is Johnny Boy.
You
I'm
guys?
John. But I'm Johnny Boy.
On Instagram, social media?
Johnny Boy.
Johnny Boy.
JONBWOY.
Yeah. Okay. So
I'm an artist.
You sing?
Yeah.
Really?
Can I sing for you?
Okay.
Not now.
Okay. You guys can find Johnny here at Archives.
Yeah. I'm here. Okay. I'm an artist. I'm also a photographer.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay guys, so I am at Archives right now. Winnie Zambi on YouTube.
Subscribe pia.
Sawa, unaitwa aje kwa YouTube?
Nitakuonyesha tu. Winnie Jabi.
Winnie NZ, Winnie Zambi. Winnie Zambi.
Are you a Kamba?
Yes.
Mimi ni Mkamba. Kuna followers wengi. Keep going.
Alright.
Mimi naitwa hivi.
John Bo. Okay, let me just take it and okay, I'll subscribe.
Okay, wabia subscribe.
Okay.
Next
Bye. Okay. Okay guys, so I am in Archives. It's in the evening right now and the energy is just wow. So people are literally coming back from work. There is street photography happening, new Cabro, because the city has recently been renovated and beautified. And then there's also like long queues of people because people are waiting to go home. So this is Nairobi. So this is Nairobi, guys. Let me show you. These are the long queues.
proclaim a Jesus that loves you,
nimekuja kutangaza Yesu akupendaye wewe,
not a Jesus that condemns you,
sio Yesu anayekukashifu
a
wewe,
Jesus that loves you.
Yesu anayekupenda.
I am preaching not a Jesus that does not want anything to do with you.
Simhubiri Yesu ambaye hataki kitu chochote nawe.
I'm saying Jesus wants to help you.
Nasema Yesu ataka kusaidie.
I am inviting you to the love of God.
Na kukaribisha wewe kwa upendo wa Mungu.
Maybe you are not used to that.
Pengine haupendi mambo kama hayo.
But now I want you to be comfortable.
Lakini nataka upate ustawi
with a God that loves you.
Na Mungu anayekupenda.
And with a God.
Okay guys, so this is evening hours and the long queues are because everybody is going home. And this is Nairobi guys. Chaotic, beautiful, you know, stacked up. There's people everywhere because everybody has come out from the office. And yeah, so it's about to light up really nice. Still about 6 p.m. So I'm just chilling out until it's about 7 and we can just, you know, watch what's happening in the city.
Tuchukue picha.
Okay, guys, what do you think about the energy here in Nairobi? So you guys can see it's very busy. Mambo?
Poa sana.
Niambie.
Unaitwa nani?
Winnie. Naitwa Winnie. Unasikia baridi? Okay. Yeah, so this is Nairobi at night in the evening. I think she's high or something.
I don't want us to make our work difficult.
Yeah, so you can see more long queues and it's a bit chaotic. This is how it is. So on this street you can get very busy because of street photography. So as you guys heard, the first guy told us, in the morning is the busiest and also in the evening. Yeah, so you can see you know, the flashy lights. More long queues. People are trying to get home. So really long queues in some parts. And then here there's, you know, photographers trying to make the most of this day. I want to go over to Kora Drive, see what's happening there. Everybody is trying to get back home. Everyone. So more street photography, people chilling, maybe because of long queues. So sometimes you just chill and wait until the things are a bit easy and the lines are not so long. Street photography, of course. Let's see if there's any changes here with the Cabro and all. Okay, so here you guys usually know that Kora Drive is very popular for like street photography. It's very cute, it's very like quiet here and chilled because there's like a cooperative bank here, and then there's also KCB, yeah, so that's that. And then now in this part where there's this new Cabro and the sitting placements, there's like photography, and then there's like more chilled restaurants here. So that's why you find like this place is very quiet, and you find people who are coming like from, let's say, like work, they're gonna like chill out here and relax more than the other parts of like the sitting areas and all. Yeah. So I think even the seats are full because I wanted to like kind of have a seat. So let me see if there's any space. Yeah, there's space over there. So I'm gonna sit there, chill out a bit, and then we'll continue when it gets more dark. So they put in lights on these seats. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so new lights on the sitting area here at Kora Drive. To give you guys an overview, so it's lighting up. Nairobi is lighting up. You can see lights there, lights here, and lights over there. So let's wait for it to get more dark. So you guys can see that they also put in the lights on these. Yeah. Wow. So Nairobi keeps lighting up. The new Cabros are like taking shape. Everything is like getting in place. They're putting the new bins. And things are lighting up, guys. What do you think about Nairobi? They're not yet like done with everything. I really do want to do like a full tour soon enough of Nairobi and everything and every side where there was renovations, so we can see like how the finishing was done from downtown to uptown. So what do you guys think? And what do you guys think about Nairobi right now? The energy and how the streets look. Are they neat? Are they clean? Do you feel like Nairobi is like vibrant, or does it feel like Kenyans are struggling? Because cost of living is quite high right now. Things have gone up, like, you know, whatever you used to purchase, anything you used to purchase right now has definitely gone up in pricing. So definitely, you know, Kenyans can feel overwhelmed sometimes, and sometimes you just feel like they are not that excited. And sometimes I feel that way whenever I like come to town. I feel like Kenyans are not very happy sometimes because everybody is just, you know, trying to survive. Everybody is trying to, you know, work their way up and, you know, get their rent ready to pay, get money for utilities, for food and all that. So definitely, I mean, it's not easy being a Kenyan right now with the rising cost of living. But of course, I think Kenyans always keep they always keep their heads high. Kenyans will always keep their heads high, no matter what. Yeah. So I think everything is just, you know, like everything is like, you know, starting to make sense. You know, they're putting these lightings here and there. You know, they're still doing their finishings on the Cabros. They're still finishing the Uhuru Highway side, JKI to ABC. There's the viaduct. I haven't even seen how far they've gone with the Upper Hill viaduct. I'm yet to do an update on that. So keep it on this channel if you want to see an update about Upper Hill as a whole and the Upper Hill viaduct as well. So guys, this is Nairobi in the evening. Yeah. It's a weekday, so obviously expect more serious energy. And yeah, that's it for today.